In a cozy seaside village, a group of playful friends stumbled upon an old treasure map. There was Max, the fearless adventurer, Lucy, the clever riddle solver, Jake, with his keen eyes, and Ella, whose singing could ease even the most difficult challenges. The map had belonged to the dreaded pirate Pete, who had hidden his loot deep within the mysterious Whispering Woods. Excited and eager for adventure, the friends set off on their journey. First, they had to solve a riddle at the base of the old oak tree. It went, "I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind." Lucy's eyes sparkled with realization. "It's an echo," she exclaimed, and a hidden compartment opened, revealing the next part of their quest. Their next challenge was to cross the bustling Bubble Brook. A narrow wooden bridge swayed precariously above the sparkling waters. Max, with his bravery, led the way and encouraged his friends to follow one at a time. As they reached the heart of Whispering Woods, they faced a tricky puzzle laid out in large, moss-covered stones. The stones needed to be arranged to spell a secret word. Jake's sharp eyes noticed the word gold etched faintly, and together, they moved the stones into place. When the last stone clicked, a hidden door creaked open, revealing a dimly lit cave. Inside the cave, a soft melody echoed. Ella began to hum along, and the cave responded with a warm glow, guiding them deeper inside. There, glistening under the rays of sunlight sneaking through the cracks, lay Pirate Pete's treasure chest. The friends couldn't believe their eyes. They had found the lost treasure. But the greatest treasure of all was the adventure they shared, the friendship that grew stronger with each challenge, and the memories that would last a lifetime. With their hearts full, they decided to leave some gold behind, ensuring that the legend of Pirate Pete would continue to inspire future adventurers.